me, baby. He can do no wrong. I want your, because I want his daddy. This is a Tony Braxton Stan account. Do not play with my girl. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the party, okay? This is literally about to be a party. And if you're not new here, friend, welcome back. We're so glad to see you again, okay? Hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. A lot of y'all watch, but y'all aren't subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. I've been seeing the girlies do the playlist videos where basically we're just gonna do our makeup, do this hair, and vibe out to some music. Like literally just act like I'm getting ready to go out, playlist on, and we gonna cross our fingers right now and pray that we don't get any copyright strikes, okay? So thank you all so much for tuning in. This is not really going to be a tutorial. This is literally we just getting ready together, okay? I got a lot of filming to do tonight. I got some hauls to shoot and things, so gotta do my makeup, gotta do my hair, so I figured we might as well go ahead and do the playlist video today, okay? So let's get into it. I feel like I had something to tell y'all, but I forgot. I don't know. Anyway, got my water, got my music, got everything laid out in front of me. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. Stop what you're doing right now. Go get you some water. If you ain't had enough water today, get up right now. Go ahead and get you a glass of water. Let's get this water intake together, okay? The water is going to clear the skin. The water is going to keep the cooch in check. The water is going to keep your body pumping and doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I know it's easy to forget. So get up, stop what you're doing right now, and go get you a glass of water, and then come back. I'll be here when you get back, I promise, okay? All right. Anyway, moving on, let's get started. I'm just excited. I just love filming. When these lights cut on, I just turn up on them, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and get started and get into this music. I am personally a YouTube music girly. I feel like their playlists are the best. I feel like they curate my perfect playlist. So right now we gonna start off a little easy on y'all real quick, okay? Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. Yeah. I don't know if it's too loud. This stuff is almost gone, y'all. This stuff is by Byro, New York. Let's make love. You told me your new man don't make you nut. That's a shame. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing mighty fine. And I'm doing so good. Cause it ain't you that said. Look at us now. See how we live. I'm doing so. Good. It's you that killed everything good in this family. Must have been our tongue. Ooh, I can't wait for Power to come on this week. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do y'all watch Power? Like, if you don't, like, get it together. But I can't wait for Power. This week's episode should be so good. Now your hands on my body. It's better than any man I ever had. The camera overheating. Ew. This is a Tony Braxton Stan account. Do not play with my girl. All over here. Running home to me, boy. When it comes to my man, please don't be some more. Get him, Tony. Back up off of me. Cause I know you popping. Look around, give my last name. I know games. What? Freaky. Gotta come teach you. Put the hood on. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. Baby, if you give it to me. Both the rhymes was actually pretty fine. Like, What's the bus? I'm debating on lashes. Like, I'm gonna probably put them on later once my eyes calm down because they feel a little sensitive right now. Okay, pause. Update on this stuff. I don't hate it. Like, it looks cute, but I have to put a lot on to get super glossy. And also, I just don't feel like it has any nutritional value for my lips. Like, if that makes sense. Like, I don't feel like it actually is moisturizing them long term. Like, of course they look moisturized because it's on there, but when it wears off, my lips do not feel moisturized anymore. My Laneige one, I feel like that kept my lips moisturized behind the scenes, if that makes sense. So update, if you just want something quick to throw in your purse, it's cool, but I won't be repurchasing. I'm gonna either go back to Laneige or find a different one that I love even more than Laneige. So yeah, update. But if you keep packing it on, it'll get glossy, but I shouldn't have to do all that. The only thing I like better about this one over the Laneige is that this tube is a lot bigger. But honestly, that could be an illusion. Like, I never checked the ounces or nothing. But anyway, moving on. If y'all didn't know, I love Lil Baby. Like, love Lil Baby. Like, he can do no wrong. His music is everything to me. Could be really out here doing them nasty. So I can see, well. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you a bad girl, if you a bad girl, keep a dollar with a dime. Pimpin' ain't easy. Work me, baby. Bitch, I'm a problem. Nobody solve it. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. I want your, cause I want his daddy. But I do be on going. I promise my nigga gonna love me the same. I'm a high girl, don't try it at home. He's a sweetie. Kiss him when he eat it. Ay, yeah. She was with me. She went to Gucci for an hour, then we gon' move to the backseat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, watch for the cat, please. All right, y'all, the hair is done. Go ahead and take this little wrap off. Make sure our foundation is right up under here. Baby, don't play with me. Play with your... Oh my God, this side failed while I was on this side. I didn't use any hairspray or anything, so... it curled really pretty, but I can tell that this side, either I didn't let the curls stay on the wand as long or they fell. But either way, they look really good. I'm just gonna kind of run my fingers through to kind of make it match up. Y'all, this looks so good. Stop playing with me. Anyway, this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed jamming out with your girl, okay? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this type of video, if y'all want to do these more often. Oh, and I put my lashes on off camera, but they were by Kiss from their Muse collection, and I have them on in a style called Legacy. Very subtle, very natural. You probably barely notice them, but they make a difference. They add a little razzle dazzle. Now that the look is complete, I'm going to go ahead and start filming my clothing hauls. Go back and watch those videos because they're probably going up before this one. At least one of them will. So if you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check that out. And thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be safe.